Hello everybody, this is Ariane Arsenault from La Fille de la Mer in the Magdalene Islands. I am making an Easter bath bomb video today. These will be listed on the website, but I know it's very short notice, so I'm actually putting them up there for locals who can actually get them in time for Easter. If you want one, you can buy them. They will arrive after Easter. So these are beautiful molds that I got from my friend Lee over at the Bath Bomb Press. She sent these to me for free to test and try out, and that's what we're gonna be making today. Today I am working with my double bath bomb press. So there's actually two pistons going down, so I will be able to make a hatchling and a bunny at each press. I usually wear my RZ mask when I make bath bombs, but I am down to my two last filters, and I started sewing my own masks at home with organic cotton inside, prints on the outside, and interfacing inside, and I thought these were actually great to use to protect myself from dust when I make bath bombs. So this is what I'm going to be wearing today. All of my workstation, my equipment, everything has been washed with 70% rubbing alcohol, and we're just going to start mixing the ingredients. The fragrance oil I am using today is by BRAMBLE, and it is called Sweet MEYER Lemon, but I call these my lemonade bath bombs. And grapeseed oil to make this moisturizing and gentle on the skin. Voila. It is now time to add my lathanol powder. People also call it sodium lauryl sulfate acetate. This is a surfactant, and this is what brings the bubbles to the bath bombs. Now the citric acid. Finishing up by just making sure everything is incorporated by hand, and then I'm going to start pressing. I am also making these in pink. This exquisite pink is by the Fizz Fairy in Canada. She sells many water-soluble dyes and micas and other ingredients and equipment to make bath bombs and other cosmetics. Oh, and this is the hot pink. For my green bath bombs, I am using apple green from the Bath Bomb Press. This green is so spring-like. I love the color, and the scent is melon balls, and it smells amazing. To make these extra special and shiny, I'm applying a spray of Eco Glitter. Here we have all of the bath bombs, the Easter bunnies and the hatchlings. They're all ready. They're so cute. Here are the strawberry kiwi, and then the melon ball Easter bath bombs. So cute. And the yellow, which are scented in a lemonade scent. It's a sweet MEYER lemon, but I call it lemonade because it sounds so much nicer. And voila, they will dry. I will package them tomorrow and put them on the website. You can still buy them, but they will not be delivered before Easter if you are outside of the Magdalene Islands. Voila, all done. Thank you so much for joining me today while I was making the Easter bath bomb. Thank you so much to Lee at the Bath Bomb Press for giving me the Easter molds. I received them in an awfully bad timing, as I received them just a day or two before all of the schools were closed, and I had no time to make these until today. This is why I'm so late making them, but I still wanted to have a video out, and I still wanted some kids from the islands to be able to have these Easter bath bombs. You can still buy them from my web store if you are out of the islands, but they will not be delivered in time for I was gonna say Christmas, for Easter, but it's okay. You can still order them. I mean, kids love bath bombs and they love bunnies and hatchling all year round, so feel free to buy them if you want to. Let's all get together, stay home, wash our hands, do our best to stop the spread of the coronavirus. And I encourage you to shop small and to shop local. Of course, you can buy many products on my website, but there are so many other amazing small e-commerce across Canada, across the US, and probably in your area, wherever you're watching from. So please place an order if you need anything online from your favorite small merchants. This is really helpful for our families and our small communities. And I also do the same. I'm buying online locally and I'm having things delivered. We're gonna get some Easter chocolates from a local bakery here on a Saturday. So the kids will have handmade local chocolates. That's amazing. Also, check the description box below this video, as I usually leave a lot of links for makers. If you're not a client or customers of my products, you can, and you're a maker. And most of these businesses that I list down there are all small suppliers. They're all small businesses. Many of them are family owned and many of them are women owned. So check the links below, and if you need supplies, choose one of them. Do your part, wash your hands, stay home, smile, stay positive, draw and paint rainbows, and I will see you guys very soon. You can always give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, subscribe to my social media. All the links are below. Have a great day. Love you all. Until next time, stay safe.